Hello everyone, in this video I will show you 5 DIY. DIY number 1. My dad loves soccer and me too. With my mom's help I am making soccer ball planters. You can plant any plant of your choice. This is going to be a decor piece on my dad's table. DIY number 2. In this DIY, I am using glass base and acrylic pen. I am going to write a quote for my dad, which is, I wish I grow up to be a person like you. Varnish it sincerely. I am keeping lucky bamboos in this vase for my dad's office table. DIY number 3. Use color paper or you can color the white paper sheet just like I did. Place your hand and cut it. Follow the steps shown in the video. Is done. DIY number 4. This one is my favorite. You can use cardboard or a wooden plank and use a rope to hang it. Use lots of stickers. This will work as a signboard for my dad's office room. DIY number 5. Make an achievement board for your dad. You can use a photo frame to take your favorite pic with your dad and write down his achievements. This picture my mom ordered online, but you can make it at home with the paper, board and handwritten notes. And after arranging all my DIYs, that's how my dad's office table looks. Hope you like my ideas. Do try and let me know. Thank you. Please subscribe. Happy Father's Day.